Jofwambo adek nomonji ng'anyo mar SABA SABA e boma ma Nyeri. Jofwambo mag Royal Media Services kama oting'o kama Mwangi kod James Maina kanyakla kod kinde mar Kameme TV Ramogi nochuno ni oringi mondo mi gires ngimagi. Nochuno ni gipondi e locho bila mar reso ngimagi e lwet jogo mane timonegi maundu. Monj makamano kelo luoro ewi harita mar jofwambo matiyo tijgi mar fwambo gi keyo weche ne oganda jo Kenya.
First, we didn't know what they were saying or what they meant. But then again, after a few minutes, they came where the police were shielding us. I don't know what they said to the police, and then the police moved, and then they came to where we were with the camera.
We could even understand what was going on. Tayari, one of my colleagues alikuwa kwa chini ambaye ni waho, and ile pilka ya kujaribu kumwokoa, that is how they landed on me na stones, blows, quite hard kwa mgongo, lakini si vile sana.
And we are very worried because this is a new trend that is forming where journalists are directly targeted by people posing as peaceful demonstrators.
Musa inyane Jofwambo nyakoro mga juang gino marwa eni